This is the document, a quick little project, not as quick as I would like, of a little napkin holder, utilizing the same little rollers that I had used for an overhead door slide in another project, in my TV stand project. The sides are 7 inches on each dovetailed edge, and dovetails protrude a 1/16 of an inch on both sides. The sides are 5/16 thick. Height is 2 inches. This cutout is 4 inches from here to here and 1 inch down from the top. The center support, the little arm support, is slightly shifted to the side so that these will stay pretty much centered. This support itself is 3.5 inches tall, 3/4 of an inch wide, and it is also 5/16 thick. This little angle here is it's 1 inch from the top of the upright to the bottom of the bevel, and 3/4 of an inch from this side of the bevel to the top. And this arm is also 5/16 of an inch thick. It is 5 inches long, and it's a number 8 screw or machine bolt, or however you want to call it, with a little bit of Loctite glue to keep that from not loosening up. And this is a number 10 screw with a nylock nuts to keep that from coming loose. So plywood base on the bottom, and my little brand on a piece of maple stuck to the bottom. That's it.